Today, we would like to draw your attention to the current scenario of global population growth and some facts related to it. Let's get started. As of 2019, the world's population was 7.6 billion people. But do you know that the total surface area of Earth is about 197 million square miles, out of which 95% of the land is covered by water, glaciers, crops, pasteland, and deserts. So that leaves humans roughly with 5% of area, that is 10 million square miles, which is fit for human habitation only. If people were evenly distributed across the 10 million square miles of land, then there would be 763 people per square mile or 0.8 acres per person. But that's not the reality. The population density varies from region to region. Macau has the highest population density of all nations in the world at 55,301 people per square mile. Greenland has the lowest population density of 1 person per square mile. If we see the past 70 years data of population, we found that population was growing at triple rate, but for the next 50 years we will see a modest increase. You all will be thinking, why is that so? To answer your curiosity, we must tell you that there are so many factors which affect the population growth, one of which is fertility rate. But for now, let's not get into that. We will talk about that in another video because it is also very interesting and has a lot to talk about. So coming back, 5 years after the foundation of United Nations, world population was estimated at around 2.6 billion people. It reached 5 billion people in 1987 and 6 billion people in 1999. In October 2011, the global population was estimated to be 7 billion. Global movement 7 billion actions was launched to mark 7 billion milestones. The world's population is expected to increase by 2 billion persons in the next 30 years, from 7.7 billion people currently to 9.7 billion people in 2050, and could peak at nearly 11 billion people around 2100. China and India are the most populated countries in the world. 61% of the global population lives in Asia, 17% in Africa, 10% in Europe, 8% in Latin America and the Caribbean, remaining 5% in Northern America and Oceania. China accommodating about 1.44 billion people and India with 1.39 billion people remains the two largest populated countries in the world, both with more than 1 billion people, representing 19 and 18% of the world's population respectively. Around 2027, India is projected to overtake China as the world's most populated country, while China's population is projected to decrease by 31.4 million or around 2.2% between 2019 and 2050 according to World Population Prospects 2019. Africa is the fastest growing continent. More than half of global population growth between now and 2050 is expected to occur in Africa. Africa has the highest rate of population growth among major areas. The population of sub-Saharan Africa is projected to double by 2050. A rapid population increase in Africa is anticipated even if there is a substantial reduction of fertility levels in the near future. Shrinking population in Europe will be the topic of discussion in coming years as the populations of 55 countries or areas in the world are expected to decrease by year 2050, out of which 26 may see a reduction of at least 10%. Several countries are expected to see their populations decline by more than 15% by year 2050, including Bosnia, Bulgaria, Croatia, Hungary, Japan, Latvia, Lithuania, Republic of Moldova, Romania, Serbia and Ukraine. Fertility in all European countries is now below the level required for full replacement of the population in the long run. Around 2.1 children per woman, and in the majority of the cases, fertility has been below the replacement level for several decades. For countries with low fertility rates, migration may be the only way to avert population decline. Do like and share the video, subscribe to our channel for more such videos and spread the knowledge. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.